Now I want to tell about piezoelectric method. This method is based on phenomena of inverse, is known as piezoelectric principle. In 1880, Pierre Curie developed unusual characters of certain crystals when they are subjected to mechanical force. Then these crystals are electrically polarized. This effect is called piezoelectric method. In this, the word piezo means press, which is Greek word of piezo. When mechanical stress applied to a certain crystal along a certain crystal mechanical axis, then small amount of voltage electrical axis is developed along to other perpendicular axis. The crystals which are shown in this effect are called piezoelectric effect. The examples of piezoelectric effect are quartz crystal, Roche crystal, and etc. The converse of above effect is also explains if a voltage generating crystal piezoelectrical crystals are exposed to electrical field. Then the length of the substance and also strength acute applied electrical field. This principle is called inverse piezoelectric effect. By using this inverse piezoelectric principle, we have to produce ultrasonic waves of frequency range above 100 Hz as follows. For this, at first we have to study about piezoelectric crystals. These crystals are side prisms having pyramidal shaped ends. In these crystals, there are three types: optic axis, mechanical axis, electric axis. Optic axis. The axis which is passing through the pyramidal corners of crystal is called optic axis. We can see here the diagram of optic axis. Optic axis is z-axis. Now electric axis. The axis which is perpendicular to the z-axis and passing through opposite corners of crystal is called electric axis or x-axis. That is the diagram of electric axis. Mechanical axis. The axis which are perpendicular to the x and z-axis are passing through the faces of the crystal is called mechanical axis. Now X-cut crystal. If a crystal which is cut by making an angle with 90 degrees with axis in the crystal, then the type of crystals are called X-cut crystals. These X-cut crystals are used to produce ultrasonic waves also. And that is diagram. Y-cut axis. If the crystal which is cut by an angle 90 degrees with exact y-axis in the crystal, then the type of crystals are called Y-cut crystals. The Y-cut crystals are used to produce sharp waves. This is the diagram.